This is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave group chat on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you don't like the content of a Snapchat group chat, you can just leave it. So how if you want to leave your group chat on Snapchat? It's so simple. You can follow this step by step in this video. So you can just open your Snapchat on your phone. Now you can just go to your DM section by tapping here. So here's the group chat that I have on Snapchat and I want to leave from this group. How to do it? You can just tap and hold on the group. Tap on more. There is an option leave group. You can just tap on that. So leaving this group will also remove you from its story. Snaps and chats you've sent will be cleared and any charms you've hidden will be restored. Now you can just tap on leave. So as you can see it here on your DM section, there's no more that group. So simple, right? So that is how to leave group chat on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.